Hello everyone, welcome to bmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see thread numbering options available in Revit. So when you have a staircase and you want to count the stairs, it will be difficult, and also we have to show the numbers. So we have to have a series of numbers. In the previous older versions, we may not have this option, thread numbering. It's available under the annotation tab and thread number. You'll be able to take this option, and you have a control over here in the instance properties, and you can click any riser or the thread that you wanted to annotate them. You can simply click them. If you have multiple stairs or multiple levels of stairs, you have to click them one by one like this, so that the continuous number will be applicable for all the stair steps we have. The one thing that we have to remember is that how do you want to number them? Is it based on the riser, or is it based on the thread uh, we have in our risers? So what happens in when you change this? You can see them. You can see this numbers count uphelling and or downwardsing. So one count it will change based on your availability that you have, or based on your thread riser or thread what category that you want to apply for. And the other thing is that usually we'll have a text property. The other things are we knew that these are the constraint which is based on the justifications we have and offset values we have easily recognizable. And this one are odd number only or even number only. We can have them all numbers, and that's a simple settings. But the difference in Revit is that usually we have the text property in the edit type, but in this case thread numbers, we have the control over in this type. Instead of type, we have it in the instance itself, so we can have them over here. So we can change them based on the threads. So which means we may not be able to control all over the project size. We can control only on the instance places, not in the other places. This is a particular thing that we have to remember while we are working with the multi-story building in multi places and multi views. We have to remember that it's an instance based properties that we have to change it in all the places. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and do share it with your learning friends and subscribe. And we are making thousands of hundreds of videos along Revit based on your request. The user-based questions we are making. Do comment if you have any specific questions on this topic or any topic related to BIM tools that you have. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.